Google Veo 3 makes movies from just words, and here's how you can get it for free before anyone else. Firstly, what you want to do is just go on Gemini, as is what people use to do it. And as you can see, this is the Gemini website right here. And as you can see, you can upgrade it. £0 for 1 month, and then you have to pay after. But this is just 1 month, so you can test if you like it and then get it after. But I know you want it for free, so if you search this up, which is going to be called Gemini Pro for University, there's another way where you can get 15 months. So 15 months is a very, very, very long time. So as you can see, it's right there. And if you can't see it, just do the 15 months. But it might be expired by the time you're seeing this video, but this is a good method and it may come back by the time this video comes out, so I don't know. The next thing you can search is this thing, which is called cloudskillsboost.google. Then you want to open the catalog, and then you want to open this AI section, and you can see generative AI with Vertex AI, and you can press on it, and then you press start lab. When you press start lab, you need to press I'm not a robot before, so it makes sure you're not a robot, and you'll wait a little bit, but I just skip the time right now, so you don't have to wait 3 minutes. Then if you go to another tab and you search up Google Vids, press Google Vids, press sign in, and then you want to use the login that you just made just here. So copy this one, put it there, next. Copy the password, put it there, next. It's that simple. Then you just press I understand, make a blank video, then you just use Veo 3. So let me just put a random thing right now that I may want to do. So a guy backflipping whilst holding subscriber button who is wearing full orange and black like tiger outfit. Then you just insert it, and as you can see when I do it, there you go, he's backflipping or whatever, but you can make it a lot more complex than this, do whatever you want. The next thing is going to be Flow Google, and by the way, this is an ultimate guide, so I'm going to show you so many methods. So basically, if you may not understand, most people, what they do is they do text to video, but text to video does not always work. So what you can do is text to frames, and basically you'll get these couple of pictures which you can use, and then you can use these frames to a video. So as you can see, you can generate image. So text to image right now, and as you can see, we are going to have some images of some apes right here, and then you do the frames to the video, and then the video can be anything of your choice. The next thing is this website right here, where you can press try now, and then you can press agree. I'll have this in the link in the description down below, so don't worry. Then you're just going to go to Media Studio. As the Media Studio, you can do all your videos, this and that, and everything you want. Then as you can see right here is the Veo thing right there. I don't know how to explain it, but the generate video section is right there. As you can see here, some things to get inspired, but you can press Veo, and then when you do this, it will load you into create a billing account, and it's done. And then there's these like online type of ones as well, which you can do where you generate and it will work as well, but I'm not sure it's as good, but you can use it.